The importance of technology in the success of a business cannot be overemphasized. The right use of technology for your small business helps you to manage data flow, track processes, enhance connectivity, and more importantly, improve customer support. As a small business owner, it is very important for you to invest and incorporate the right technology tools into your daily operations. So today, I'll be sharing with you 5 technology tools that will help you and your small business team function effectively and be more productive. Right with me. Tool number 1 is the website. In today's digital world, it is very essential for businesses to have a web presence. Even if your company does not conduct business online, customers and potential customers are expecting to see you online. If they don't see you, that means you're losing them to a competitor who has an online presence. There are freelancers and digital agencies that offer really affordable website design package for small businesses. My company, ExcelPlace, has like 4 of those packages. You may want to check them out at yobo.excelplace.com. That is yobo.excelplace.com. Tool number 2 is Google Analytics. Of what good is your website if you can't analyze and constantly check where the traffic of your website is coming from? Google Analytics is a free web analytics service that tracks and reports your website traffic, demographics, which includes age, gender, the location of your website visitors, the location where they're visiting your website from, the devices, the network, the data access you're using, and more importantly, the behavior. It helps you know if you're really targeting your potential customers or not, and then it helps you, plan and strategize better. We'll go on the short break and we'll be right back with the last 3 technology tools your business shouldn't do without. Welcome back. If this is your first time on my channel, I hope you're subscribed so that you won't miss insightful videos just like this one. So please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button just below this video. Number 3 is the cloud storage tools. It's 2018 and no one, I repeat, no one should ever complain about losing a document or not being able to work on a document because you don't have your laptop with you. Every business, whether internet based or not, should have at least one cloud storage account. So now, what is cloud storage? Cloud storage is a cloud computing model in which data is stored on remote servers and can be accessed anywhere on the internet with any device connected to the internet. I have been working with Dropbox and Google Drive for more than 5 years now without hassle, so I'd recommend them to you. You can get started now by visiting dropbox.com or drive.google.com. You can also use my referral Dropbox link just in the description box below. So the 4th tool you shouldn't do without as a small business owner is an accounting software. Like cloud technology, accounting software is another important piece of technology for your business. So these accounting programs are usually user-friendly and can be operated by someone with little or no knowledge of accounting. I don't have knowledge of accounting, but my accounting software is very easy to use. I use BMAC. It helps me separate my money from my business money. Most small business owners are unable to separate their personal funds from their business funds. You can start using BMAC today by going to onebmac.com. There are a whole lot of There are a whole lot of other accounting tools, but I use onebmark.com, and I can access my accounting records anytime, any day, anywhere. Get started now. The last but not the least technology tool you shouldn't do without is Slack. This is one of the best technology tools for businesses out there this day. Slack is a place where your team come together to collaborate. Important information can be found by the right people. Slack is a very perfect internal communication tool. It helps you reduce the level of emails sent across the organization. It allows your team create specific channels of conversations, video conferences, and can create alerts for specific marketing objectives. I have used Slack, and I'm using Slack to collaborate on projects with other teams who are not, members of my organization. And Slack is your best bet. You should get started today by going to slack.com, slack.com. And these are the 5 technology tools you shouldn't do without as a small business owner. Are there other technology tools you think I should mention I haven't mentioned? Please feel free to drop a comment in the comment box below. Let's continue the conversation. Don't also forget to follow me across my social media platforms.